Hi guys. So I just received this box, this tiny little Hobonichi box. This is the second order from Hobonichi for 2019. And I wanted to show you what I have inside. And this, let's see. Check this out. I've been waiting for this. So here are the A6 covers. I'm going to take this out, make it a bit easier to get into. And a tiny little A6 Hobonichi. So this is the English version of the A6 Hobonichi, and these are the covers. So I ordered 4 covers. 2 are cover on cover clear that I want to use. One is for my imagination. This is Law of Attraction scripting Hobonichi. And what I'm doing is I'm creating desires here, and the idea is to capture it, be able to track of when they actually manifest. And so this cover from Nina Farhonen, it is so absolutely beautiful, and it's tiny. I mean, this is, I was so lucky to get it. I'm surprised nobody finds it as beautiful as I do. I guess some people do, but it was hard to find YouTube videos on this particular cover. And then this is the Imagine one, which I'm going to put on my scripting A6 planner. It's the also Mina Farhonen Imagine cover. Now they don't recommend putting the cover on cover of them, but I think I'm going to do that, especially on this one. But we'll see. So let's get into them. Actually, let's do this one first. This is my favorite cover. It's called Birds, and it has different colors. This is actually either very dark brown or black, aqua, orange, teal, and then a nude pink here. It's very elegant. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely beautiful. This color is gorgeous. And I love the page markers. They have leather at the bottom, or faux leather I should say, and tied strings here, knotted strings, in the colors that match the birds on the front. Just so pretty. And here's the life book. This is my first Hobonichi cover. It has lots of card pockets, another one here, and then of course the book will go in here. Here the book will go, and then you have another pocket as well as a side pocket to put some goodies in. And it's definitely like linen cover with embroidery, although it's not raised at all. You can see how vibrant the colors are. It's so beautiful. Very, very pretty. If you're looking for this on YouTube, I'm assuming you're getting a cover, or you're trying to decide if you should. I think it's absolutely beautiful. There's Hobonichi there, right here. And let's put in the A6. And see what it looks like. It is so beautiful. My goodness. gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I'm planning on taking this with me everywhere. This is probably going to be my on-the-go everyday carry planner. It's so portable and it's so elegant. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really love this one. It's my favorite one, I think. And it feels really good to touch. It feels really good. Very, very pretty. You know, I noticed that when I do unboxings, I kind of rush through them just to get through the video and make it long, but I really want to start enjoying the part of unboxing and to really feel what it feels like to actually get what it is you want. I don't like the rushing through of it, and so I'm trying to be more conscious of me doing that on the videos. So let's take a look at the other cover, and this is the Imagine cover. Also has the neutral colors for the pen loops. And it is beautiful. I would say in person, it's definitely a very dark navy blue, but it comes off as black, which is what I thought it was. But it has beautiful animals woven into the trees and naturescape. I just think it's so beautiful, and probably the more I look at it, the more I'll be able to find some different animals peeking out, which is really nice for imagination, right? This is the inside cover. It also has the knotted page holders or page markers and the faux leather at the bottom there. Also says Hobonichi there. And then also Mina for Honen. And it's beautiful color on the inside. I really like it. And it looks like the inside is mesh. You can see it. Very well made. And it's just absolutely beautiful. And so I'm going to switch out this one. I purchased this one on Etsy for $22. It's called Nude, Beige, Pink cover. And I love this one as well, but I wanted the ability to switch between them. And I wanted to be able to put the Imagine cover on my scripting book. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out. I don't know if I said which Etsy shop I purchased it from. I purchased it from Etsy store called The Wishing Whale, W-H-A-L-E Co., The Wishing Whale Co. So this one is going to be perfect for scripting and imagining and writing about whatever makes your heart happy. It's the whole idea. And this is it. Now looking at both of these in person, I definitely have to say that the birds one is definitely my favorite by far. Just absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. And they feel definitely different. This one is linen or canvasy feeling. And this one is very smooth. Definitely fabric of some kind, but it's smooth. Very, very pretty. So if you're considering any of these covers, I sure hope you get them and you love them just as much. And I want to thank you for watching. And if you've subscribed, I want to thank you for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. and have an amazing day, amazing rest of your day. All right, bye-bye.